Hi everyone, welcome to my channel eStyle. It's Ishining here, and today's video is going to be a purple haul. And this is the first time I am buying something from Purple, and I hope you like this one. This one is my first product, which is a Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Face Wash packaging. And the outer packaging is quite good actually, easy to carry. So it says that it cleanses your skin, helps in purifying your pores and controls your blackheads. The price of it is Rs 399, but in offer I got it for Rs 364, which is actually affordable. So wow, the brand name is Wow and the product packaging is actually wow. So here's the cover. You just need to open it and press it and just move it for 2 minutes, and it's actually good. So I love this one. So the second product, it's a beauty blender by AY Makeup Accessories. First just take a look. I love beauty blenders. Brushes are always good, but beauty blenders are, I think, my favorite. And it was Rs 355. I'm sorry. And just 1 minute. Actually, it has 6 beauty blenders, and they are so soft. So soft. And beauty blenders जितने soft होते हैं उतने ही अच्छे होते हैं. And I think it's quite good. And the shades of the beauty blenders are amazing. They look so cute. So my third product, it's a Pond's Lightweight Moisturizer. First of all, the packaging is so good. Look, super cute. And it's worth Rs 120. It's quite cheap, and the inside and it's easy to blend. It's quite good actually. My fourth product, it's a Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact, the packaging, and it was Rs only 199. It's in discount actually, and this contains SPF 20 and shea butter, and my shade name is Ivory 01, and the packaging is so good. It's in a black case. And it contains a mirror with a puff. It's amazing. I'm gonna try it. So my fifth product, it's a eyeshadow palette which is very famous by the brand Wet n Wild. It was Rs 399. I got it for discount, and the actual price of it was 500. And the shades are amazing. The palette name is Nude Awakening, and packaging. So inside, look at the shades. They are so good. It has 4 shimmers, 3 mattes, and 2 transition shade. It's good actually. So my sixth product, first just check the packaging, you will get to know everything. Yes, it's a highlighter, everyone's favorite. It's a Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. The shade name is Rose Gold. So look, the price is Rs 550, and I didn't get any offer. It's not sad actually. It's worth it, right? It's amazing. It's my seventh product. You can guess it, right? It's a brown kajal cum eyeliner, which is by the brand Wet n Wild. It was Rs 135, and just go for this one. It gives so much of quantity. It's just amazing. Look. It's actually good for everyday makeup look or party makeup look. You can go for this one. It's my 8th product, which is the primer. This is the most important part of makeup. So let's talk about it. It's by the brand Stay Quirky. The actual price is rupees 449, but I got it for 390. Yeah, and so it's actually good. It's reasonable, and it has a tube, easy to apply. It's actually like the color bar primer. You can just go for it. So it's my 9th product, which is by the brand Makeup Revolution. It's contouring kit, ultra sculpt contouring kit, and the actual price of it is rupees 850, but in offer I got it for rupees 723, and it has a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. See the inside. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite contours. You can go for this one. It's my 10th product. First, see the packaging. It's simple and good. It's a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. It was rupees 399, but in offer I got it for rupees 319, जो कि काफ़ी cheap है and काफ़ी अच्छा है. And the shade name is medium tawny, and you can go for this one. It's quite affordable. So it's my second concealer, which is from Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, and it was rupees 475, and my shade is medium. Yeah, it's medium. The packaging. It's so famous. I've used it before. The quality is so good. I think if you have dry skin, you can try it. If you have oily skin, you can go for it. It's not that bad. It will work, and I love this one. So it's my next product, which is a lipstick by Stay Quirky, and it is a badass lipstick. The packaging, the shade name is Born Rebel 31, and let's see how does it look. See this. It's a black lipstick. It's the Dhamaka, and it's so creamy. The price of it is rupees 279. Just go and grab this one. It's just so good. So this was my shopping, and after the shopping I got some gifts from Purple. So the first one, it's a cute nail paint by Stay Quirky. I just love this one. It's so cute. And the second one is the NYB eye kajal, eye pencil. It's a blue shade. Just see this. It's like this. The blue is quite different and it's good. I mean, I'm just loving this, and thank you so much Purple for all these, and it was just amazing. I think I usually shop from Nykaa, and this was my first time that I'm shopping from Purple, and my experience was just amazing. I'm loving this one, and hopefully next time I'm buying something different from here. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video as much as you can. Love you all.